Hi, in this video I'm going to explain you how to share Google Documents using link. Let's start. Open Google Chrome browser, log in into your Gmail account, click on 9 dots, click on the drive. In the previous video we had created several files inside the demo folder. Click on the demo folder. Now each file has its own default setting which is restricted. Now if you want to share one of the file, for example this Excel sheet I want to share, right click on that Excel sheet, select share option. It will ask you if you want to share this file by using the email ID. You can write the email ID of the person and the person will receive Excel sheet file to his email account. You can also write the email ID of the 10 people and they all will receive the Excel sheet to their email. We don't want to send by email. We want to create and share the link. So rather than using this option, click on the last option, click on the arrow and select anyone with the link. The link is created, copy on the link and click on done. Now this copied link you can paste in SMS or on WhatsApp or in a Gmail, on Twitter or Facebook or Instagram. When the user click on this link, they can see the content of Excel sheet file. For example, I will open a new tab. I will just right click and paste the link which we just copied. Hit the enter. The content of the Excel sheet will be visible. If you notice, the icon of this file is changed. This icon says that the file is shared. The setting of this file will not affect the setting of the remaining file. The first file, the demo3 and this demo1 file, they are still restricted. Only the Excel sheet file is shared. But what if I change the setting of the main folder? Currently we are in the demo folder. You can go back to the parent folder, my drive. You can right click on the demo folder, click on share and select the same option. Go bottom and click on anyone with the link and you can click on done. Now you can check the icon of the folder is changed, and when you open the folder the icon of the each file is changed. That means all files are shared. So if you have the multiple documents and you want to share all those documents, rather clicking on each file and changing the setting, you can change the setting of the main folder, click on the share, you can just anyone with the link will be visible, copy this link and share this link with anyone. So all those people who are having this link can see the content of that folder, so they can access all the file at the same time. In the next video, I'm going to explain you how to upload and download and move the files from one folder to another folder. Thank you.